Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Comedian Knowledge. So let's start today. Actually, sorry for that. Last 3 or 4 days I haven't uploaded my video for the next topic of MySQL database. So today I'll be start the next things of the database. So let's start the next topic of database. Okay. So I'll open that file. Where is that file? Inside down. Where is that file? SQL tutorial. So this chapter 4 may be completed creating table. Okay. So creating table now. This creating table we will list. We are starting now. So okay, one CMD I'll open to database. I connect to database through the CMD. What is database? MySQL. Mm, dash user and dash user dash p. Yeah, we connected to database first. So databases. Here showing all databases. So let's start how to create the tables inside the database. Then let's start to connect it, creating the database. So the main purpose of creating database, we reading this whole concept, and we will create a database, a specific database, and implemented the specific operation. Okay. So let's start creating database and selecting a database. So if the administrator created your database for you, when setting up your permission, you can being using the other. You can need to create database. So here I to create just database. Like what is your database name? Then under Unix database name are case sensitive, unlike SQL keyword. And so you must refer to your database or Menagri, not as Menagri. Okay, in the sense it is a case sensitive. Okay, so under unique database name is a case sensitive. So or some other variant. This is also true for table names, like under Windows, restrict not apply throughout the must refer database and the tables using the same letter case throughout a given query. And however, for the variety of region, the commended best practice is always to use same letter case that was used when the database was created. Note: if you got an error such as error for 100 access denied for user authentication login, then you attempt to create a database. This means your user account doesn't have necessary privilege to do so. Discuss this with administrator or see access control of this. Okay. So first we create database. What is the database name? Then same thing we applied to create database, and we write in that Minagrin. Simply we write in database name. So just we create a database. So यहाँ पे here we write create a database. Just everything I put it, we put it uppercase. Uppercase and lowercase both is fine, but we try to put it everything uppercase. Okay. Database, create database. What is the database name? Uh, like student. Okay. So we create a student database name. CREAT. Wait, right. Sorry, database. Create database student. Then it's created. Okay. Then we are showing our database. Uh, just I show databases. Inside this database, I'm showing our database name student. So just use student. Okay. After that, till here we finished. Okay. Till here we finished. Use these changes have done. Then your database need to create only once, but you must select it for use each time you begin the MySQL session. You can this by issuing a use statement and showing the example. Alternatively, you can select the database on the command line. When you invoke MySQL, just specify its name after any connection parameter throughout meet parameter and might need to provide, for example, these things. So tables. First, you create a database. Okay. Then, when I writing so tables, there we haven't created tables. Okay. So there, if haven't exist any data, so that time here what is showing here? So tables. Then here showing 00. Okay, empty set. It's this means inside this database I haven't create any tables. This why here showing the empty set. When we created that data tables, that time we are not showing that empty. Okay, so then, so let's create that tables. Uh, Creating tables. The harder part is deciding what the structure of database should be, what tables you need, and what columns should be in each of them. So you want to table the content or record for each of your pets. This can be called the pet table and should contain as a bare minimum each animal name beer. Notice here explain about this database. Okay, pet one. So I will be discuss about the student part. Okay, so inside the student we define the student in the basis of your data type and student ID, then student name, and student date of birth. Then next. Not need student name, mm, student ID, student name, student phone number, and third is student email ID. These things are and student course. Okay, so these things have we create inside database columns. That this is a student columns. So uh, I write create table students, then I write ID ID integer. Okay. This is I put it unique. Then name I put it varchar. Varchar I put it 32. Varchar means it's showing character. Then here not null. Here also showing not null. Edit not null things not null. And varchar means varchar. It is like a string. This why we define varchar. When you define a character, then you write in simply character. So here varchar I put it. Sorry, varchar not null. What is the next? Uh, phone number. New MDL, phone number like integer, and not now it's also required. Then email, uh, email. How to put it email? These things. Wait, no. Just I check it. When I we define email, then which type of data type we put it. We write in there. So varchar email decimal logical operator. Just put it. Okay. Just try to Google how to put it this. Then oh sorry. How ah how to define uh, data type, email data type, email field data type in MySQL query. Uh, Varchar is fine. Uh, well, here define varchar, then varchar is fine. Okay. Uh, Sorry, varchar. Just put it 120. Okay. Then course is equal to then I define varchar 150. Okay. Student, then union semicolon. Ah, you have mastered a line number SQL and you will refer to the MySQL server version, write a syntax integer, unique, not null. Integral integer. What happened? Uh, Sorry, varchar 30, varchar phone number, integer, then varchar course, varchar maybe it's created. Then I put it same database tables. Okay, so tables. Then here not showing null. Here showing student. Okay. Then you want to see which data type you define inside that which inside table, how how much column you define inside that specific tables. So just you describe your tables, then you write only describe your student name, your table name. Okay, then students you write these things, then here define your id. This is the your field name, it is a type, and it is it is a need or not. Then null, and these things here not null, default extra. So these things here define. Okay, so after that we did these things. So varchar is a good choice for name, owner, special, these things like varchar have defined. Then you show tables here, right, and then you are showing your table name. Loading data into tables, so verify how to loading data. So loading data we covered next topic, step by step we will going forward. Okay, if I'll cover one day everything, then you will not get that point. So we need to uh, going step by step, otherwise you will confused. Okay, yeah. Thank you for uh, seeing my channel and video. If you like my video, please comment and like it. Thank you.